So with the fact that my simplex true alert speaker strobe cannot be used on the system test anymore, I decided to get the next part of this fire alarm collection series in, this time focusing on this system sensor 2WB conventional smoke detector, and this first alert 912B ionization residential smoke alarm. Now, I'm going to remove this from the mounting plate, move that from the mounting plate, hold on, I need to set the camera down for this. Alright, so they're both removed, and you can see it says system sensor 2WB, and this is what the mounting plate looks like with all the terminals. And this device kind of, when I got it, it was apparently defective, meaning that it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, I think I won't ever have this device on the system because it doesn't work anymore. But moving on from this one, I have this first alert 9120B photoelectric or ionization residential smoke alarm. And here's a mounting bracket for it. Now, I do have the battery for this, but I kind of don't feel like inserting it and testing it because it would sound a little too similar to that one right up there. So I don't think I want to test the first alert device that I have right now to avoid sound similarities and confusion and all that. But if I ever do connect this one day, then just know that the battery will go there, and this will be the test button, and it appears it is also the silence button, and this is LED will be inside that area for power related things. And you got the little horn device right there. Yeah, it's a nice little device, you know. Yeah, it's a ionization unit. And if I ever connect it somewhere, I'll have to write when it was installed and when to replace it. And I'll move these wires out of the way. You can actually read this stuff right here. Yeah, it says clean monthly. Constant green LED means it's connected to 120 VAC. 3 beeps, pause, repeating, alarm. The red LED flashes rapidly only on the initiating alarm. The red LEDs on all other alarms remain off. Latching alarm indicator has the green LED on for 2 seconds, off for 2 seconds on initiating alarms. Horn remains silent. In silence mode, red LED flashes once every 10 seconds. Horn remains silent. Single chirp per minute, replace battery. Press test button after installation weekly and after cleaning. You know, all that important information. And these are the wires that you can use for like connecting it to other smoke alarms. Like, say you want to connect this device to that one right up there. You just connect them together and run all the wires between the two devices, and then they would be connected. So, I do like this smoke alarm. Kind of got this to replace this defective smoke detector. And there's really not much else I can really say about this little smoke alarm right here. Although I am going to put it back on the mounting plate, so there it is, back on its mounting plate. And I guess that'll do it for this part of the fire alarm collection series. And I will put all three of these parts together into like a mega fire alarm collection video, so stay tuned for that.